this is the good thing about virtual driving for storage, right? You just see the phone numbers right there, so you can just call them. That's exactly what we do. Actually, I'm going to pull the Google map up here and let's do. It's so fun. Honestly, it's really just so fun for me to talk about self-storage investing. Kingsland, I really love it, and I really appreciate everybody tuning in and just listening to me like ramble on about storage investing. It just, because it really just makes me so happy. Yeah. So here's the Austin area. Here's San Antonio. Okay. Here's Austin, Canyon Lake, huge big lake with a lot of RV parking. And then here is Kingsland. Okay. So Austin is essentially growing towards Spicewood right now, but really from like Lakeway to Marble Falls is about maybe 45 minutes. So it's not really too bad. And Lakeway is really like when I was growing up, Lakeway was like country, but now it's like really part of Austin, right? And so this is where the property's at, and there are huge developments going on in this area. So I would say from going Austin is going out towards this area. Now Kingsland is considered country. Has anybody been to Kingsland? Y'all can put it into the chat. Kingsland's like, considered like a little country town. I don't know what the population is actually. Let's look it up and see. What's the population of Kingsland? Kingsland, Texas population is how much is it? 7,000. Okay, so it's not like a big area. It's not a big town or whatever. And Marble Falls is also like not that big of a town. Horseshoe Bay is not that big of a town. But this area has quite a bit of people living in this area. It's growing very, very fast. And yeah, see, you could see it's just going very, very fast. And it will only just keep getting better, but it is kind of a little bit country. So it's like that Texas, like it's the Texas hill country is what it is, which is very beautiful and stuff. So anyway, so we found this facility, Absolute Storage. Let's find it actually. Absolute Storage. Okay. And in Kingsland. And the way that we found it is we just we virtually drive for storage is what we do. That's how we find our facilities. We just go on Google Maps and just call all these people. So this one's called Absolute Storage. Let's see, where is Absolute Storage actually? Okay, actually let me get the address. Hang on, let me pull this up. Is it here? Yeah. It's 4605 Skyline Drive. 4605 Skyline Drive. Let's just pull that up here. In Kingsland, right there. Okay. Okay. All right. This is it. Okay. And so we called this owner. So it's right here. Let's just zoom out just a little bit here. Okay. So here's the main road, and it's just right over here. And it's not on. You can see. Look, it's not on Google Maps, right? So this is a storage facility that does not have a website. It does not have the phone number. It doesn't have a website or anything. Let's see. It does come up with pictures. Let me see. Actually, let's look and see. Here's a lot of look. If you put it on satellite view, you could see a lot of storage facilities here. Is this it? Yeah, I think this might be it. Well, actually, I don't know. Let's drop down and let's take a look. Yeah, this is it right here. So this one is not on Google Maps. Okay, so here's Absolute. This is the good thing about virtual driving for storage, right? You just see the phone numbers right there, so you can just call them. That's exactly what we do. So this is the property right here. Okay, so this is where we basically just call this owner and just see if they're interested in getting an offer. That's all we do, and then so that's what happened is we called the owner interested if they can get an offer, and then they said yes. Okay. So what happens when they say yes is that we in Google Drive, we create a folder. Okay. And this is what our folders look like. You can see that we have the competitor. So basically we just name it the name of the facility, Absolute, storage. And then we have competitors, county information, deal analyzer, demographics, executive summary, maps and street view, the offer letter, once you put the offer letter out, radius plus, and then regrid, right? So this is kind of what we're using to pull data, from all of our properties and stuff.
Hey everybody, this is Stacy here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am here to teach you how to get your foot into this industry. You're watching this video because you want to learn how to get started in self-storage investing, or maybe you own facilities and you want to be a better manager, a better owner. That is what I do, is I teach people how to do that. So please like this video and also subscribe, hit the subscribe button, because that's what YouTube wants. So in order for me to get out the word on how to get started in this industry, I really need your help. Again, I appreciate you listening to me, and I'm here to help you on this journey, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.